We engineer precision machines specifically for thin tubes and wires. It's all about giving you consistent, high-quality results every time. Precision made easy. Our user-friendly CNC control turns complex designs into perfect, repeatable bends. Accuracy is guaranteed. Perfect finish. No flaws. Get smooth, wrinkle-free bends on thin-walled pipes. It keeps the material's integrity intact. Built for your workflow, switch between jobs quickly. Perfect for both custom prototypes and high-volume production runs. Furniture, automotive lines, medical parts, or artistic structures, Huashun benders help shape ideas into reliable, functional components. We combine proven manufacturing expertise with global support. From initial consultation to ongoing service, we ensure your success. Ready to transform your bending process? Contact Huashun today for a personalized solution. Let's create precision together.